Hello guys, where's Minecraft? Minecraft. Oh, here it is. So something that I want to show you is in the world. This one. I was doing something with me and my brother, and
I'm connecting still. I'm connecting here.
whoa. Welcome. What? Sorry about that.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, me and my brother are here, so.
What? I got disconnected from the server?
Me too, so. I don't know, but.
But it's super haunted.
Creepy. It's creepy. I'm kidding.
Creepy.
But.
For the story.
And.
Story.
I think it's Insti 303 or Nooch or Herobrine.
Herobrine, because those two are killers.
And we in the
We could have started a story.
in the portal. I think we lost the portal. I think we have lost the portal.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we did.
Oh crap.
Well, let's get another portal.
Okay, let's do another portal, and I think we yeah.
You healed some. But the stories you hadn't have a series.
No, I have obsidian, but right now not like. So maybe
I got a Slender.
Slender. Okay.
Maybe Slenderman or something.
Slenderman is not even in Minecraft, so it's maybe Herobrine and 53 or 3 cause those guys are crazy great. Okay. Ready? Let's go. Okay, let's go. Follow me. Oh crap. We're in the middle of the ocean. Is this bad? Is this real?
What? This spawning you. You have to remember what spawned you?
Yeah, but where's the house?
Somebody take over there.
Hey, come. I have a map right here. Come.
Wait.
I see land. Oh, there's land.
You see land?
Yeah, I see land. But it's lagging like crazy. Ooh. We're in the jungle right now. And
what the heck happened?
What the heck?
Why are we in the jungle? I don't know why are we in the jungle. Please, here. Why are you?
Wait.
I'm in the jungle.
Oh yeah, over here.
Where?
Hey, over here.
Come.
Where?
We never go in the jungle.
We have never spawned in the jungle.
In the jungle, but.
Follow me. I think I know where the house. Where is it?
It's not here, dude. We just found another place. I think.
What the heck?
It's found another place. We need to survive this.
You follow me?
Where?
You following me?
Where are you?
Over here.
First, let's check in the jungle because.
Yeah, we should go over the jungle.
Over the jungle.
Follow me. The map. I think I know where
Where are you?
You're not following me?
Yeah, I'm following you.
Okay, so follow me.
Where are you?
Whoa, it's lagging like crazy right now. It's lagging like crazy.
Yeah, me too. Wait,
Yeah.
wait. Espera.
Are you coming? Wait, let me create another map. Create map. Okay, we should go. You following me? Following me?
But really, that's creepy.
I know, but that's where are you?
Here you. I'm here.
Where? Oh, this thing's lagging like crazy. Okay, follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. Dang it! Oh crap! It's kind of lagging like crazy right now. So, mm, maybe this is all everything the jungle. So I don't know where we are. Hey, let's build another portal.
No, I'm not going to the portal again.
So if it,
Check with the portal. I am in the portal.
no, in 0.14.0, there's no ender portal.
Where? 1.50?
1 point.
5.0?
Whoa! It doesn't work. It doesn't work.
No, you put wait. So you put the city for you couldn't put the other city.
The heck? Now it doesn't work. Okay, so let's go.
So I get creepy, super creepy. On the bed,
Me too.
and next to me, that's okay.
Yeah, we should.
Look,
Okay, we're in the nether right now. Follow me. I know where's the other portal. Are you following me? It's creepy. Okay. Wait. You ready? It's coming from over here.
Let me put this.
You know what? Let's go. So, just
So that was creepy.
okay. Just let me just stop the recorder right now and